Okay. On behalf of Kun Piyapon Mantajit, I would like to say apologize to all of you because she cannot come to present by herself. So today I will take role to present to you I am a project manager at the Young Active Citizen at 4 provinces of Thailand. Okay, first of all, I would like to introduce you our Siam Commercial Bank Foundation. What is our role? What is our belief on the area of young active citizen? Okay, please enjoy.
Quality society comes from quality people, has resulted in many youths growing up to live quality lives. Siam Commercial Bank Public Company Limited has appointed the Siam Commercial Foundation to support and develop the youth of Thailand to become quality citizens. How does one become a quality citizen? Quality youth are not just intelligent and studious, but they also know oneself and one's goals in life. Think critically, take action, and solve problems. Able to work with those with different opinions. Possess leadership qualities. Socially responsible. Show compassion and humanitarian spirit, willingness to devote oneself to society. We believe characteristics such as these are achieved by learning by doing, more than just rote learning. We want to give youth the opportunity to learn by real-world experiences in actual community or social settings, stressing the importance of journey before destination. Who do we work with? We support local community elders who work closely with youth, divided into 5 groups as follows. 1. Parents and community leaders. 2. Teachers. 3. NGOs. 4. Government agencies. 5. Youth leaders. These people possess the skills to be coaches because to develop quality youth as model citizens for society, elders must play a part in mentoring and coaching real-life skills to children. They are change agents, the multipliers who develop quality youth for Thai society. 2 things must change for a good coach. 1. Change way of thinking. Do not be overly dependent on grades and give importance on practical skills. Stress the importance of goodness, compassion, and sharing. 2. Change teaching method. Do not spoon-feed. Promote individual learning by doing. Inspire, encourage, and nurture. Our process. Our role as a catalyst has achieved organizational success more rapidly and in a sustainable manner. We support youth development projects based on learning by doing, and our support comes in form of friends sharing a journey as follows. Support in planning and setting targets. Budgetary support. Knowledge and new skills support. Curriculum support utilizing lessons learned to add value. Projects under our support are as social laboratories, and our target groups play the role of fulcrum in youth development as follows. 1. Educational institutions. Youth development through the Sufficiency Economy Project. Promote teachers as coaches so that youths apply the sufficiency economy philosophy to their lives. 2. Local government administrations. Local Youth Empowerment Project. Support local government as host in developing the quality of the next generation. 3. Non-government organizations, or NGO. The Young Active Citizen of Songkhla Project. Support NGOs at the provincial level to be host in developing youths to become active citizens. 4. Government agencies. Incubate the Young IT Generation Project. Support information and communications technology, or ICT, talented youths for their work to create the greatest value. 5. Youth leaders. The Organic Agriculturist Network Project. supports youth leaders to build organic farming network. These projects are social innovations that will lead to continuous and sustainable youth development. The Siam Commercial Foundation creates learning opportunity, promotes quality people, build up quality society.
Okay. Okay, as you see in the video, today I will focusing on my project. It's called the Organizational Development Project at the provincial level. Is to build young active citizens for a better Thailand. This project we work with NGO at the provincial. Our goal is to develop NGO organizational competency so that the NGO organization will develop young active citizens at their own hometown. This is our belief and our assumption. We call theory of change. We believe that if the NGO have the efficient organization management system, such as the database or track record, or they have the competency of the staff to be as a coach in the community, and they have the knowledge management in the organization. If they have this management system, the organization will be sustained. And we believe that if the team coach, they have the capability in youth development, so the organization will be strong, will be efficiency. And the organization, NGO organization will create the learning platform for the young children to learn from their community, to learn out of school. What they learn? They learn by do the community project. So in the detail of the project, I would like you to see the video presentation. We have 6-minute presentation to show you what we do at the 4 provinces in Thailand. We start from southern of Thailand. We work with the Songkhla Forum. We work at the Songkhla to give opportunity of the young children to work for their hometown. And then we scale up from Songkhla to up north of Thailand to Nan, and to the northeast of Thailand to Siam province, and the western of Thailand at the Samut Songkhram province. Okay, next I will show you the presentation video in 6 minutes that give you the detail of what I do.
The Thai education system keeps children in the classroom, resulting in a lack of life skills and working skills for Thai youth. Most of them lack future life prospects and also ignore society.
อีกอย่างคือว่าในหมู่บ้านเนาะคือว่าไปมาฮอดปุ๊บแม่บอกว่าได้สิดัดแปลงพวกรถพวกหยังแล้วก็มาบิดกันจังซี่นะ
มูลนิธิสยามกรรมจนเราเลือกที่จะทำงานกับผู้ใหญ่ที่อยู่รอบตัวเด็กเราเชื่อว่าเยาวชนควรจะได้เรียนรู้จากการลงมือปฏิบัติลงมือทำงานในชุมชนถ้าเขาได้เรียนรู้แล้วก็ทำความเข้าใจบ้านเกิดของเขาสิ่งที่เราจะได้ก็คือเยาวชนไทยก็จะพัฒนาสำนึกความเป็นพลเมือง
The goal of the Organizational Development Project at the provincial level is to build active citizens for a better Thailand and aims to emphasize NGOs' role in the development of the younger generations. It is a mechanism outside the classroom that is taking place in various provinces. Implementation of this project has already begun in Songkhla province and now extends to Samut Songkhram. Nan, and Sisaket province. 4 provinces can collaborate as a team to develop a community project that they will propose to the NGO. The projects under consideration will take into account budget implementation and youth development in project management, as well as analyze how well the project addresses a community problem.
จริงๆเป็นความคาดหวังลึกๆอยู่แล้วว่าเราอยากเห็นภาพที่เด็กเขาทำอะไรเองเนาะเราแค่เปิดพื้นที่ให้เขาทำงานกันเองแล้วก็เอื้ออำนวยให้เขาได้ออกแบบที่เขาจะนำเสนอสิ่งที่เขาอยากทำ
The projects that are distributed in many areas are themselves like a classroom that help the youth better understand their communities. We have already begun to see several examples of success and the power of problem solving in the youth as they implement community projects. Examples include watershed management to nourish the people in the province, a project that addresses ecosystem concerns such as caring for and maintaining beachfronts and many more. A group of young people pay attention to the wisdom imparted by their ancestors. They resolve to keep and carry this wisdom forward to future generations.
ถ้าเกิดว่าพูดถึงเรื่องขยะเนี่ยผู้ใหญ่เขาอาจจะไม่มาทำอยู่แล้วแต่ถ้าเกิดว่าเป็นเยาวชนเป็นเด็กเนี่ยเขาไม่อายเขาสามารถมาทำได้ซึ่งเด็กเนี่ยพอเขามาทำก็คือเกิดจากแรงของเด็กที่เด็กเนี่ยมาทำแทนที่ว่าจะเอาเวลาว่างเนี่ยไปทำเรื่องที่ไร้สาระค่ะ
จริงๆสงขลามันก็เหมือนเมืองอื่นๆที่มันเหมือนกับว่ามันก็มีปัญหาแต่ว่าคือเราอยู่ในสงขลาก็เหมือนกับว่าเราก่อนที่เราจะไปทำอะไรให้กับประเทศชาติมันก็ต้องเริ่มต้นจากการที่เราทำอะไรดีให้กับเมืองก่อนก็เลยเลือกเป็นเมืองสงขลาแต่ว่าที่อื่นมันก็มีเหมือนเราแต่ว่าที่เราเลือกที่นี่เพราะว่าที่นี่มันเป็นบ้านของเราก็เลยต้องเลือกที่นี่
We have watched as the youth apply their communication skills by telling the stories that draw the community together and garner their attention. They focus on the problems and come together to determine a solution.
ทำให้เหมือนกับว่าหลักสูตรของการศึกษาของโปรแกรมพัฒนาชุมชนนะคะมันมีคุณค่ามากขึ้นโดยที่เราสามารถปฏิบัติได้จริงแล้วก็สามารถใช้หลักการที่เขาว่า1 2 3 4 5 7 8 9 10อะค่ะคือเราเอามาใช้ได้จริง
ซึ่งพวกเราก็เป็นเด็กที่เคยผูกพันกับป่ามาก่อนพวกเราเนี่ยเป็นเด็กที่เข้าไปเก็บหน่อเก็บเห็ดกันอยู่แล้วค่ะตอนที่เป็นเด็กๆก็เห็นความสำคัญตรงนี้ใช่ไหมคะก็จึงทำโครงการอนุรักษ์และฟื้นฟูป่าชุมชนบ้านหัวนาขึ้นค่ะ
ให้เขาลองคิดวิธีแก้ปัญหาก่อนเราจะต้องปรับตัวเหมือนกันอะคือต้องไม่ไปชี้แนะหรืออะไรเงี้ยค่ะอดทนรอให้เขาที่จะจัดการด้วยตัวเองแล้วลองดูว่าถ้าเขาไม่ไหวจริงๆหรือมีปัญหาที่ให้เราช่วยเราค่อยลงไปช่วย
จริงๆแล้วเราไม่ได้ไปวางว่าเขาคิดจะทำเรื่องนี้แล้วสุดท้ายมันต้องออกมาแบบโครงการสำเร็จรุ่ล่วงไปด้วยดีภาพสวยงามออกมาแต่ว่าการเรียนรู้ของเด็กมันไม่เกิดเราไม่เอาเราสนใจการเรียนรู้ของน้องระหว่างทางแล้วก็ไอ้ข้างในของน้องค่ะที่มันโตขึ้นที่เขาไปนึกถึงสังคมส่วนรวมมากขึ้นที่ไม่ใช่อยู่เหมือนเดิมค่ะ
The community project is a great opportunity for young people to learn about their homeland and apply the knowledge learned in the classroom to benefit society. Hopefully, along the way, they are also able to discover the true meaning of life.
สิ่งที่ทุกโครงการทำมันมีพลังหมดเลยมันสื่อเห็นว่าเด็กทำแล้วมันดูดีมันดูสมาร์ทมันดูมีพลังแทนที่ว่าผู้ใหญ่คิดเด็กทำแต่นี้มันทั้งเด็กคิดเด็กทำมันเป็นงานของเด็กงานของเราทุกคนที่เราร่วมสร้างร่วมทำมามันก็รู้สึกดีแล้วก็รู้สึกภูมิใจมาก
Okay, this is the power of youth that we work with in the 4 provinces of Thailand, and they learn from real situation in the community, and the problem they choose by themselves, what they see in the community, such as environmental issue, learning issue, um, cultural issue, they choose and then they find a way to solve the problem. And by they do the community project, they learn by their own experience. And coach just only a person who stand behind them, asking the question and let them reflection from their own experience. I will highlight something on the project design. The first thing is this project is a learning platform for young children, as I told you. And the community project will help youth to feel sense of belonging and pride in their homeland. When the young children choose the community problem, that means they are connected to their community. And not only the sense of belonging or citizen conscience, they develop their own life skill, such as the critical thinking, as they work with their team. And as you know, one community project, they set a group of 5 or 4 people, of 5 or 4 people in the team. So when they work together, they learn how to work with teamwork, and they solve the problem in the team. Some opinion different, and they have to find a way to do together. Communication skill, and research skill, because first, before they are doing to solve the problem in the community, they have to research first. What is the cause of the problem? They have to ask from the community leader or community villager, and they know the cause of the problem, and they do the project and planning how they work together to solve the problem. So the third one is the project can fill the gap of the formal education by encourage youth to learn by doing, learning from the real world. As you know, in Thailand, the young children, they learn only in the classroom. They have a lot of knowledge. They know about history and know about mathematics, science, Thai language, social science, but they didn't know anything about their own hometown. This project gives them opportunity to go out of school and then learn by their own community. And the fourth one, the youth who participate in the projects is not only the student in the school or university, but some group, they have young children who drop out of the school. You know, in the Songkhla and inศรีสะเกษ, northern, eastern of Thailand, the young children, some of them, they are dropped out of school, and they just going by motorbike, boon boon boon, and some of them, they just use the mobile phone, don't know about their community, but they form the team in school and out school. They work together for their hometown. Some of the group, the young, is come from juvenile detention home at the Songkhla. We have one group that they do the project, and they do the project inside the juvenile detention home. I would like to point out in this, the key success factor of the project is not only the organizational management, but coach skill is very important. How they support the youth citizen, they should have a competency. And what Siam Commercial Foundation bring to the table to develop coach, we create the learning platform for competency development, and we create the platform for knowledge management. We create the learning platform for 4 provinces to share their own experience. And then some of the contribution is we use the social communication. We interview the coaches and we do the communication by the Facebook. Coach competency, we have 4 areas. The first one is coach should can do the designing, the learning design. And coach should have competency to questioning and listening. Because young children, they do by their own experience. Coach just only asking the question, what do you feel? What do you discover? How do you solve the problem? What do you do next? Coach stand behind the children. Coach is not do the take role to you have to do this, you have to do that, you have to have this. No, coach should only asking the question and listen what the problem that young children face and help them to solve the problem by themselves. Coach should have the competency on the project management, because community project is the tool for young children. They plan before they solve the problem. So coach should have them to set the goal of the community project. And then planning activity, what they are going to do in 5 or 6 months. So coach should have the skill of project management to support young children to do. And the last one is competency. We call the reflection, learning reflection. We just call AAR, or after action review. They create learning platform before they, after they do the project. They just come together in the circle and ask them, what are you want to do? What is your goal? What are you doing? And after that, what you learn from your experience. The coach will create the learning platform like this. Okay. Thank you very much for all of you to listening my presentation. And I think that you have a lot of my experience that I'm telling you. Thank you.